Hello, welcome back to Leap English Podcast.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Jake. We help you learn everyday English.
Today, we're practicing basic conversations, simple questions and answers you can use every day.
Please remember to subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you. Let's get started.
So, Lily, I want to ask you some simple questions today. Questions people ask all the time in real life.
That sounds good. Go ahead.
Okay. Excuse me, are you English?
No, I'm Canadian.
Oh, nice. Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well. I'm still learning.
Your English sounds good to me. What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm studying business at university.
That's interesting. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. I got married last year.
Congratulations. How long have you been here?
About 3 years. I came here for my studies.
That's a long time. How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, 1 girl and 1 boy. My daughter is 4 and my son is 2.
Wow, you're busy. How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages, English, French, and my native language.
That's impressive. Okay, let me change the topic. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Hey, would you like to have coffee?
No, thanks. I like tea better than coffee.
Oh, how about a cup of tea then?
It sounds good. I'd love some tea.
Perfect. What are you planning to do today after our recording?
I'm planning to do my housework. The apartment is a mess.
I should do that too. Would you like a drink first?
Sure, let's go grab that tea.
Great. Are you ready to go now?
Yes, I'm ready. Let me just get my jacket.
Take your time. Do you need a few minutes?
No, I think we're ready. I just need to grab my bag.
Anything else you need?
Nothing else. I'm all set.
Perfect. Oh wait, my phone is ringing. Who would you like to speak to?
I'd like to speak to Lily, please.
Just kidding, it's not really ringing. But if it was, when will she be back?
She'll be back in 20 minutes. She's at a meeting right now.
Got it. Let me ask you something else. What time does our next recording start?
It starts at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Okay, good. What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I checked the forecast.
Rain again? Are you afraid of thunder?
No, I'm not afraid. I actually like the sound of rain.
That's nice. Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to seafood. I can't eat shrimp or fish.
Oh, that's tough. Seafood is delicious. Are you hungry right now?
Yes, I'm hungry. I skipped breakfast this morning.
We should eat something. Are you sick? You look a bit pale.
Yes, I'm sick. I have a cold. My nose is running.
You should rest. Are you sure you can do this recording?
No, I'm not sure, but I'll try my best.
Okay, let me ask you something random. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. I learned when I was 7 years old.
That's good. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend. I'm married, remember?
Oh, right. Sorry. That was a silly question. Let me change topics. Do you have any vacancies at your apartment building?
Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Everything is full right now.
That's okay. Do you take credit cards at your building for rent?
Sorry, we only accept cash or bank transfer.
I see. Do you understand what I'm asking?
Yes, I understand. You're asking about payment methods.
Exactly. How far is it from your place to the office?
About 21 kilometers. It takes me 30 minutes by car.
That's not too bad. Let me ask about food. How does this tea taste?
It's delicious, very smooth and not too bitter.
Good. What is your job again? I forgot.
I'm self-employed. I run my own small business online.
That's cool. How much money do you have in your wallet right now?
I don't have any money. I left my wallet at home by mistake.
No problem. What's today's date?
December 30th. New Year is coming soon.
Right. How much is it to go to Toronto from here?
It's $60 by bus. The train is more expensive.
Okay. Is it raining outside right now?
Yes, it's raining. I can hear it on the roof.
I thought so. What does your husband do for work?
He is a farmer. He grows vegetables and sells them at the market.
Interesting. What does this word mean? Amigo.
That means friend in Spanish.
Oh, thanks. What time is checkout at your hotel when you travel?
Usually 12:30 p.m. Some hotels are 11 a.m.
Got it. What time is it right now?
It's 9:15. We've been recording for a while.
Time flies. If I wanted to buy shoes, what size do you wear?
Size 10. I have big feet.
That's normal. Where's the closest hotel to the studio?
There's a hotel over there, but I don't think it's very good. The reviews are bad.
When are you leaving for your vacation?
I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I'm going to visit my family.
Nice. When is your birthday, by the way?
My birthday is June 18th. It's in the summer.
I'll remember that. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Canada, from a small town near Toronto.
Cool. Where would you like to go on your next trip?
I'd like to go home to visit my parents. I miss them.
That's sweet. How's the weather there usually?
It's going to be hot today. Summer weather is beautiful.
That sounds nice. Oh no, you touched your arm. Where does it hurt?
It hurts here, on my elbow. I bumped it this morning.
Be careful. When do you get off work usually?
I get off work at 6 p.m. on weekdays.
That's standard. How's business for your online work?
Business is good. I'm getting more customers every month.
Great to hear. If you buy a plane ticket, one way or round trip?
A one-way ticket. I don't know when I'll come back yet.
Makes sense. Where is an ATM around here?
Behind the bank on the corner, there are 2 machines there.
Thanks. Where's the pharmacy? I need medicine.
It's near the supermarket, next to the coffee shop.
Perfect. Are you busy this weekend?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Cleaning, shopping, and cooking.
Sounds like me. Is your dinner ready yet?
Everything is ready. I prepared it this morning.
Good planning. What are you doing right now besides talking?
I'm cleaning my room. Well, I was before we started recording.
Multitasking. Are you okay? You coughed.
Yes, I'm okay. Just my cold acting up.
Take care of yourself. How was that film you watched last week?
It was very interesting. I really enjoyed the story.
I want to see it. Can I help you with anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater. Mine got a stain on it.
I can help you shop online. What is wrong? You seem distracted.
Nothing, I'm fine. Just thinking about my to-do list.
Fair enough. What do you call this thing on my desk?
It's an umbrella. You use it when it rains.
Right. Where did you go on holiday last year?
We went to Vietnam. The food was amazing there.
Sounds fun. Why did you go shopping yesterday?
I needed a new shirt for work. My old ones are worn out.
Makes sense. Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis. I'm not great, but I enjoy it.
We should play sometime. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it isn't. You can sit there.
Thanks. Would you mind moving over one seat?
No, not at all. Here, I'll move.
Appreciate it. How much is that shirt you were looking at?
It's $50. A bit expensive for me.
Yeah. How much altogether for both shirts?
$10 total. They're on sale.
That's a great deal. How much are these earrings in the store?
50 cents each. Very cheap costume jewelry.
Nice. How much does this laptop cost?
It's $50 used. New ones are much more.
Good price. Are they the same model?
Yes, they're the same, just different colors.
Can I try it on before buying?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there in the corner.
Thanks. What's that animal outside?
It's a dog. Looks like a golden retriever.
Cute. May I open the window? It's hot in here.
Certainly. I'm feeling warm too.
Is this your shirt on the chair?
No, it's my father's shirt. He left it here last week.
Got it. Whose is this book on the table?
It's Jack's. He lent it to me to read.
Okay. How is your sister doing these days?
She's pretty good. She just got a new job.
That's great. What seems to be the problem with your computer?
I can't find my laptop. I think I left it somewhere.
Oh no. How much money do you need to buy a new one?
I only have $7. Not enough for anything.
That's tough. How much do you make per hour at work?
$6 per hour. It's not much, but it's something.
Every bit helps. Okay, Lily, we've practiced so many basic questions and answers today.
We have. These are really useful for everyday conversations.
Let's add some more simple exchanges that people use all the time.
Good idea. Let me start. Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left side.
Thank you. Can you help me carry this box?
Of course. Where do you want me to put it?
Just put it on the table, please.
No problem. What's your phone number?
It's 555-0123. You can call me anytime.
Thanks. Do you have the time?
Yes, it's 10:30 right now.
Thanks. Are you free this evening?
No, I'm busy tonight. I have plans with friends.
That's okay. Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go. Just return it when you're done.
Will do. What's the Wi-Fi password?
The password is coffee123, all lowercase.
Perfect. Is the store open now?
Yes, it's open until 9 p.m. tonight.
Good to know. Do you need a ride home?
No, I'm okay. I'll take the bus.
All right. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. I wear it all the time.
Nice choice. Can you speak more slowly, please?
Sure, I'll speak slower. Is this better?
Yes, much better. Thank you. How do you spell your name?
Lily. Just 4 letters.
Got it. What's for dinner tonight?
I'm making pasta with tomato sauce. Simple, but good.
Sounds delicious. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it very much. The people are friendly.
That's great. What's your address?
I live at 123 Main Street, apartment 4B.
Thanks. How long will you stay here?
I'll stay for another 2 years until I finish school.
Okay, Lily. I think we've covered a lot of basic conversations today.
We definitely have. Our listeners now have so many useful phrases.
These are the kinds of questions and answers people use every single day.
Exactly. Whether you're shopping, traveling, working, or just chatting with someone.
So let's think about what we practiced today.
We practiced introducing ourselves. Name, age, nationality, occupation.
We practiced asking about daily activities, what you're doing, what you're planning to do.
We practiced questions about preferences. Do you like coffee or tea? What do you want to do?
We practiced basic information questions. What time? How much? Where is something?
We practiced health questions. Are you sick? Where does it hurt? Are you allergic?
We practiced shopping phrases. How much is this? Can I try it on? What size?
We practiced travel questions. Where are you from? Where are you going? How far is it?
We practiced polite requests. Can you help me? May I open the window? Would you mind moving?
All of these are real conversations that happen every day in English.
If you memorize these patterns, you can communicate in so many situations.
And now it's time for our favorite part.
Yes, the question of the day.
Okay, today's question is, which of these basic questions do you hear most often in your daily life, and which ones are hardest for you to answer?
This is a great question because it helps you think about what's most useful for you.
Maybe you work in a shop, so how much is very important for you.
Or maybe you're traveling, so where is the bathroom and how much does this cost are essential.
Tell us which questions you use most and which ones make you nervous.
For example, you could write, I use how are you every day at work, but what do you do is hard for me to answer because I don't know how to describe my job.
Or where is the pharmacy is very useful for me, but I get confused when people ask what time is it because I mix up the time words.
Or maybe, can I help you is common at my job, but when customers ask, do you take credit cards, I don't always understand.
Any answer is helpful. Share your experience with these basic questions.
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We read every comment, and knowing your challenges helps us make better lessons.
So to summarize, today we practiced dozens of basic English questions and answers.
These are the building blocks of everyday English conversation.
We hope you feel more confident now to use these phrases in real life.
Remember, these simple questions are powerful. They can start conversations, solve problems, and help you connect with people.
Practice these out loud. Say them to yourself. Use them when you can.
The more you practice, the more natural they'll become.
Thank you so much for joining us today. This was a really practical lesson.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode.
Next time, we'll practice more useful English conversations.
From both of us, keep learning, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.